Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to edit your bio page. So your bio page looks like this. It's going to have your photo, your contact information, your bio right here, and your listings. You'll be able to see your active listings on this page, and so it'll show all the listings. It'll jump you to the listings. People can actually click on it and then go view the listing. And up at the top you can go and view your sold listings. And so I'm going to cover how you would change your photo and your bio and your contact information on this page. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your agent dashboard, and on the left hand side under home you're going to click on bio. And from this section you're going to be able to edit all of your information. So for instance, you're going to see your contact information, your name, how your name is displayed, your title. So for instance, if you're a realtor, you would put realtor right there. Your primary email, this is where your leads are going to go. Your role, which you would be agent broker. Your company address, so if you have a different address, you would put it in here, all of your information. If you have different phone numbers, you can also fill those in here. Your preferred phone would be the phone number that you want to be displayed primarily. You can opt into SMS alerts, so if you want to receive text message alerts to alert you if you have a new lead, you would put your phone number in here and then hit save changes. It will send you a text message to confirm that you want to opt in before you put that information there. So make sure that you have your cell phone handy so you can opt in. And right here is your bio information. So for instance, let's see, let me get some Latin text here and I'll show you what that looks like. So let me copy this. All right, so right now you can see on this page there is no bio, but if I put some information in here, I'm going to use this so that I'm putting it in and it's not formatted. Don't worry about the formatting of this. In fact, it's better if you don't use this, don't format this, except if you wanted to specifically bold something or provide a link to somewhere else. The type of font and everything will be controlled by your website. So what the font looks like will be controlled by the custom CSS on the site. So only really use the bold. This is a WYSIWYG editor. You can use it like a Word document, so you can hand type it in here. If you hit enter and you make it into 2 paragraphs, that's what it's going to look like. If you want to add a link, you simply highlight the words you want to link, click the chain link, put your link in here, and make sure that it opens in a new window in a blank frame so it does not open in the same window, and then hit insert and it will insert a link in there. Once you're done, hit save changes, go back to your bio, refresh the page, and you will now see your bio here. If there's a lot of information here and your bio is extra long, let's say like this, it will show an expand option to expand that bio to show the rest of it. So it will only show a small snapshot in order to get people down to your listings quicker. If you want to change your photo, come up here to the photo tab and you're going to upload a photo by clicking on upload. Choose your photo from your computer and make sure it is not more than 1 megabyte in size. If you have any questions or problems with this, simply email your photo over to us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Tell us your name and the company web address and that you want us to add your photo for you, and we will resize the photo and upload it for you. If you already have a photo in this section and you're trying to change your photo, it's going to show the URL of the photo right here. So when you upload a photo, it actually puts a URL in here into the system. And so in order to change that photo the next time, you're going to have to click in here and delete that URL, save the changes, and then come back and upload the new photo. You can't just upload a new photo when there is a URL in here already. So those are the 2 methods that you can use to change the photo and also to update your account information, your address, your phone numbers, and your bio. If you have any questions, shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com, and thanks for watching.